the yes, this.
Hello everyone, this is the FabDad. Today we have Shopkins Gumball machine. Inside this gumball machine we have 5 colorful balls, and inside the balls we have mini Shopkins figurines. So let's see what we have for the first one. It's yellow color. See who it is. It's Pineapple Crush. So cute, so pretty. Let's see what's up. Red. And who do we have here? Wow, it's Cool Cube. It's so glittery. A cube with feet. Big eyes. Up next. Orange. Who it is? It's Cheeky Chocolate. Also very glittery. Ooh, shiny too. Pretty. Who is next? Let's see. Green. Who do we have here? Swiss Miss. Oh, look at the hair. So cute. Oh, look at the mouth. It's like I want to kiss you. Here's the last ball. Who is it? Who is it? Strawberry Kiss. Look at her lips. It's pretty. I love it. There you have it, kids. We have Pineapple Crush, Cool Cube, Cheeky Chocolate, Swiss Miss, and Strawberry Kiss. Thank you, everyone. Stay tuned for more videos. Remember to like and subscribe. Whoop whoop.
Did you watch it? Please subscribe. Bye.